everyone, welcome to English classes. This video we study about new Headway beginner 5th edition, okay, and we study unit 9 past simple, okay, on page 81. Okay, let's start to learn, everyone. Okay, everyone, look at unit 9, okay, on page 81, past time, okay, and we study about grammar. This unit, okay, this unit we study about grammar, past simple, verbs, verb, irregular verbs, okay, vocabulary, saying, yes, common verbs, okay, to, have, do, go, okay, everyday English, man and dad, okay, reading, the lorry ticket, okay, continue, everyone. Look at the photo, okay, everyone, look at the photo on page 81. Okay, what can you see? There's a tram. Okay, everyone can see the picture on the past. Okay, in the past. Okay, can see the picture in the past. Okay, everyone, let's start to continue, everyone, to watch the video. Okay, watch the video introduction this lesson. Okay, let's start to watch, everyone.
Welcome to Unit 9. In this unit, you will learn how to say when and where you were born. I was born in 1992 in Oxford, England. You can watch a video about the fascinating life of the inventor Steve Jobs. Do you play the lottery? Do you have any lucky numbers? In reading and speaking, you will read an interesting news story about a woman and her lottery ticket. In vocabulary, you will learn how to talk about activities in the present and the past using the verbs have, do, and go. Yesterday, I had breakfast at 10 o'clock and then I went shopping. I bought a present for my friend's birthday. What did you do yesterday?
I cooked Japanese food with my friends.
I had afternoon tea with my friends.
I studied and then I listened to music.
When's your birthday? My birthday is in November. It's on the 10th of November. In everyday English, we will look at months and dates, and you will practice talking about birthdays. Mr. Class, go online to learn and practice. Have fun. See you soon.